Struers, the world's leading manufacturer of equipment and consumables for materialographic sample preparation, has introduced another innovation, this time to its Unitom line of cutoff machines, the Unitom 50. Virtually anyone responsible for sample preparation will enjoy the features and benefits of the Unitom 50. But it is a perfect match for those cutting a high volume of large hardened materials. And it is also attractive to those who need versatility to cut a wide range of materials or odd geometries. The Unitom 50 is a medium-class cutoff machine. It can cut objects up to 4.7 inches in diameter. It fits right in the middle of the Struers product line, between the Precision Accutome series and the high-capacity Exotome series. Struers Director of Technical Services, Stephen Glancy.
Unitom 50 was designed to section difficult materials. Materials that are exceptionally hard, that have odd geometries. These may include cast iron, composites. Pretty much, if you can fit the material into the machine, the Unitom 50 will be able to section it properly.
The Unitom 50 completes the Struers Unitom line that includes the Unitom 2, a manual saw for limited volume, and the Unitom 5 for high-volume automated cutting, machines with a reputation for simple operation and superior results. But the Unitom 50 takes that performance to the next level. This latest innovation incorporates the ExiCut technology Struers invented and introduced over a decade ago. With the Unitom 50, you'll enjoy unmatched quality, economy, versatility, and ease of use. The Unitom 50 has two modes of cutting: the traditional direct cut, in which the cutoff wheel is fed directly down into the workpiece, and an advanced cutting technique called ExiCut.
ExiCut was pioneered in the mid-'80s and was first introduced on Struers' Exotome cutoff machine. How ExiCut works is we move or oscillate the workpiece back and forth while the cutoff wheel is feeding down into the part. This minimizes the contact area on the part. It reduces the heating by allowing cooling water to enter the cut. By minimizing the contact area, we can cut exceptionally hard materials, and overall we can reduce the deformation significantly with ExiCut. For the harder materials, hardened steels, ceramics, composites, etc., the ExiCut is the mode that we would select. For the softer materials, we would traditionally use the direct cut. Direct cut minimizes wheel wear and becomes more of an economical issue.
The Unitom 50 comes standard with a number of automated features, all designed to improve the quality of sample preparation and to enhance the machine's versatility. The automatic feed reduction feature enables the fastest possible cutting without causing thermal damage. It is ideal for workpieces with irregular shapes or compositions.
With the automatic feed reduction, we're able to override any error that the operator may introduce when programming the machine. If you cut a part too quickly, you run the risk of overheating and changing the microstructure. If the operator, for some reason or another, would try to exceed that, the machine will override him and reduce the feed rate automatically to what we would consider to be the optimal level.
Another feature, constant feed speed, is a unique patented method of moving the cutoff wheel through the workpiece that dramatically improves the quality of a cut.
Constant feed rate on the Unitom 50 is a revolutionary concept. I think this was probably the greatest addition to the line of cutoff saws that we could have asked for. This enables us to cut odd geometries of specimens. For instance, I-beams, tubing, even standard rods. By setting a constant feed rate, we can ensure that we get a quality cut every time.
The Unitom 50's features also include auto stop, which automatically detects when a cut is complete, allowing for completely unattended cutting. The return position of the cutoff wheel can be set to 3 different stop positions. The traditional stop, where the cutoff wheel retracts to the top of the machine after the cut. The return to start position, where the wheel returns to the point where cutting was started, a time-saving option for high-volume applications. And the stop after cut, where the cutoff wheel remains in the cut.
The most important and significant feature is the stop after the cut. This would be employed when you were doing a part that had structural integrity prior to cutting, but after cutting it would have a tendency to collapse upon itself. You run the risk of overheating, you run the risk of breaking a cutoff blade, but if you stop the cutoff wheel once it is sectioned through the part, you can then unclamp the part and remove it with no damage.
Other time-saving performance features include rapid advance. This enables the cutoff wheel to be advanced with increased speed until it contacts the workpiece. If cutting is temporarily stopped, upon restarting, the Continue function can quickly move the cutoff wheel to the position where the cutting stopped and then continue the process at the preset feed speed. The unitom 50 is built to provide years of dependable service. The cutting blade is powered by a 6.4 horsepower motor. The interchangeable cutting table features a stainless steel surface.
The unitom 50 employs a standard machinist table with 10mm T-slots. We can use the conventional cam lock vices for most materials or configurations, but when we come across something that's very odd, we can incorporate our machinist type tools with T-bolts, blocks, and fingers for holding complex geometry such as turbine blades.
All parts of the cutting chamber are made of stainless steel or are surface protected, practically eliminating corrosion. A powerful lamp lights the chamber. A handy flush hose means fast and efficient daily cleaning, and a balanced mechanism ensures effortless opening and closing of the protection guard.
The unitom 50 was meant to appeal to a wide group of metallographers. In keeping with that, we've taken the microprocessor and incorporated a few what we consider good features. It is available in multiple languages: English, German, French, and soon to be Spanish. For operators that prefer to work in inches, it's a simple button selection to change it from millimeters to inches. Installation of the unitom 50 is a very easy operation. We only need 3-phase electric power. That's it. We don't use any air, we don't need a water hookup, and we don't need drain. You essentially specify the voltage that you want and plug it in.
The user-friendly design also includes optional features like rubber sidewall curtains for cutting larger or protruding workpieces and an optional table unit. Matching the look of the unitom 50, the base cabinet has been specifically designed to hold the generous 65-liter recirculating cooling unit and to position the machine at the right working height. And as with all Struers equipment, the unitom 50 is as safe to operate as it is easy to install and run. It is manufactured in accordance with international mechanical and electrical safety standards. An emergency cutoff switch stops the motor and all machine functions. The protection guard cannot be opened until the cutoff wheel is stopped. The windows in the protection guard are made from impact-resistant materials, and a duct setup is included to exhaust nuisance or harmful vapors. When you purchase the unitom 50 or any of the equipment and consumables Struers offers, remember, you get more than just the machines and supplies. You get unmatched technical service and support. The Struers team supports you after the sale by providing a total solution with the equipment, detailed operating technology, and full technology transfer. They also offer a comprehensive service program designed to ensure that your Struers equipment is working properly. And if it isn't, then to resolve the problems as quickly as possible to get you back up and running. So if you're involved in cutting a high volume of large hardened materials, or need versatility to cut a wide range of materials or odd geometries, and you want to do so with unmatched quality, economy, and ease of operation, get the unitom 50.
We consider the unitom 50 to be the finest metallographic cutoff machine on the market. We've incorporated features that no other saw has. We've expanded the range of materials that the saw can section from the softest up through the hardest. We can section aluminum, we can section ceramics. We've integrated microprocessor control that's unparalleled. We have enabled the operator to get reproducibility down to a science.
The unitom 50 from Struers, the world's leading manufacturer of equipment and consumables for materialographic sample preparation. For more information on the unitom 50 or any of our system solutions to your materialographic analysis problems, contact Struers at 888-STRUERS or email info@struers.com.